Hello people, what's up? Hope you're all doing great. Today's ride is to Ganalo Falls. The meeting point has been shared by my friend and we're going to meet a couple of YouTube riders today. I hope this will be a great video after a long time, early morning ride. This is the first time. Previously when I went to DD Hills also, I left home at around 9 o'clock or something. So today I'm so excited after a long time wearing the riding jacket. It gives that kind of feel after a long time, guys. So yes, let's travel together today. Hope there should be some crazy photos and crazy videos. Hope for it. Let's go. Hey guys, finally we've reached this place around 7 o'clock. Before 7 o'clock we have reached it. We have to wait for another couple of riders here who are yet to join us. So yeah, once they come I'll just give an intro of all of the YouTubers who are joining with us today. Okay. Guys, I couldn't give an intro of all the YouTubers who have joined us in the meeting point, as they were rushing out to have their breakfast. So we are here at Kabalamma, Sri Kabalamma Ruchi hotel. So yeah, we'll have a breakfast and then head out to the destination. Hopefully by like another 1.5 hours or 2 hours we'll reach the destination. It's around 60 to 70 kilometers more to ride. Yeah. Hey guys, so we have reached this off-roading area, Sangama, on the way to Sangama. The thing is, there's a small water space here, as in where you can just like a channel that connects Kaveri. So we are just going there to just chill out. People like here, couple of riders wants to chill out in water and things like that. So that's the reason we are heading out there. And yeah, the off-roading experience is really nice overall. We have around 12 to 13 riders along with us, and there are like, I don't know, I'll just count and I'll put the number of bikes here in the below. And yeah, the place is so nice that it's so peaceful after a lockdown, and it's so nice. So I don't think so they might extend the lockdown. I just posted the story, Insta story, and then people are like, be careful bro, cops might catch you. But no, there are no cops anywhere. So it's pretty safe to travel at this point. But then yeah, maintain social distance while you travel, so that it won't affect you in any ways. So let me give you intro of two YouTubers. One is Raj Reddy, and the other one is Mugi. Mugi, you all know that he joined with me along with the DD Hills ride, which was a failure because we couldn't So yeah, this is Raj who has organized this ride.
நான் ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணலப்பா, நான் குரூப் மட்டும் தான் பண்ணேன்.
Who has organized this ride? The link is in the description. Do follow him and subscribe for his channel as well. Oh yeah, we are here with Rider Mugi. Hi. And the link is in the description. Do click on the subscribe button and subscribe to his channel as well. And we are yet to go to the place. We'll explore a lot.
பெரிய பிரச்சனைங்க.
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel a burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down. All delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams.
Guys, after a long ride of off-roading experience, we finally reached this beautiful place, Sangam River. I don't know whether it's Sangama or Sangam. If I'm not wrong, can anyone correct me in the comment section below? Because wherever I see it, at some places it's written as Sangama, and some places I don't know. People pronounce it so that it would be easy for me to know the exact pronunciation. So yes, all of the riders are there. They're chilling, they're taking time-lapse videos, and also yeah, they're taking some pictures and all those things. So I just came here to just vlog for a while to show you guys the scenic beauty. It's so nice. I don't know, like till 11 o'clock they're going to play, they're going to go for a short swim or something. I didn't bring my swimming dress and all. Moreover, I don't know to swim. So the thing is, I don't want to enter this water. Just wanted to come. It was just for a ride. Just came. It's peace. It's very peaceful. Yeah, it's nice to go on a group ride. Always I wanted to, like most of the times I go on a solo ride. But basically this time, you know, it's nice to join group rides. The off-roading experience, this was the first off-roading experience. Previously I had gone, so Sangam, this is the fourth or fifth time I've been coming. I have a friend here who stays in Sangam, so we used to come to his place. And yeah, back then I used to come in my Honda CB Shine. So basically, you know, I did off-roading in Honda CB Shine. So doing off-roading in Pulsar 180F is not that hard. It's nice, I loved it. Yes, so that's what we'll Ganalu waterfalls we'll mostly reach in another 1 or 2 hours. So yeah, stay tuned to look that beauty as well. Guys, finally we reached Ganalu waterfalls. Yeah, so this is not recommended to family. So we're just discussing among our riders. So it's only for youngsters who are biking enthusiasts, because it's very hard. The roads are very hard. If you can see behind me, you can see just like a forest. We rode all over these kind of roads, off roads. So this is the waterfall. If you can see, there's no water. There's like here, and because of the season, because we have come, water is dried up. Actually this is summer season, right? So water has dried up. It's better to visit this place during monsoons. But nice, such a peaceful place. You can see the surrounding is completely filled with trees, a proper forest. Ganalu waterfalls, you people can visit. There's no restrictions. So if you can see, a lot of water. It's too steep, so we thought of going down, but then we actually don't want to, you know, take that risk, because no one has a proper trekking shoes, or as in, you know, you can't leave the vehicles there and come. At least 1 or 2 people should be there to look after the things. So it's better to stay here. It's nice. The road was nice. Nice in the sense, people who are who really like you know, what is it, off-roading. It would be great. It would be a great experience. So yeah. So to reach this place, it's around 12 now. It took us almost, you know, 5-6 hours ride, around close to 200 kilometers up and down. Yeah, worth it, because in this kind of situation, visiting these kind of places is real hard. Okay.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Tongue, hold back my thoughts.